Okay, let's continue from where we stopped. I want to move on to arithmetic operations here. And among the arithmetic, we are having like 7 things to discuss. The first thing is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So how can you now perform this in JavaScript? Let's first change our document to HTML document and start with this. So we want to perform now. Let's save our file first. In any directory, call it JavaScript. All right. Now, we want to check how we can perform operations on any number. For example, you are going to start your JavaScript. So you can let's put our JavaScript in the body here. Don't forget that you can write it in the head tag here. But we are just want to perform little things, so that's why we want to put it in the body. I want to create two variables, that's x and y, and I want them to hold some values, numerical values. So like var x, var y. Now you can see that this is two. I can combine them by this var x comma y. So and I terminate. So it's still the same way to declare multiple variables at the same time. Now if I have results, or let's echo it as now document.write. Among the way we can show out results is by one of them is document.write. You can use document.getElementById.innerHTML. You can use alert, and you can use console.log. So the one we are going to use for now is console and document.write. So let me give x a value. Let's put 4. Y, let's put 8, or let's put 2. So to perform numerical addition operation on this is x plus y. So let's check the result here. Open the browser. You can see x plus y is that 4 plus 2 is 11. A simple way to perform arithmetic operation there. Okay, let's create another variable for our results. var result. So that would be, maybe I want to perform x plus y. So this one will now echo our results out for us. So x plus y, the answer for this will be inserted in this variable called result. So anything that is here, I want to show it out. So let's check this. You can see it's still 6. Okay. Now what if we have x asterisk x? That's 8. It means 4 times 2. What about this? That is being 4 over 2. So answer is 2. Okay. Now let's add one more. Let me put 3 here. Let's put 3 like this, so that we can have x plus y plus z here and see what it will give us. You can see it's 9. That 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. Now if you want to add only these two together and multiply it by z here, what are you going to do? Just put this in brackets, as in you want to add the two together first before you now multiply the results by x. So this follows bed mass. So like bed mass here, we have brackets, we have exponential, we have division, we have multiplication, we have addition, and subtraction. So you can see what we have here. So and everything must be followed, it must be in sequential order. That means if you want to perform any miracle now, x plus y times z, that means you want to add x plus y first. So that's why we need to put in a bracket. You see that in our sequence here, bracket is firstly found. So that means bracket will be answered first before this asterisk. Where is this asterisk? This is a times. So it will follow sequential order like this. Now when this thing wants to analyze the results, it will firstly add this together before multiplying it with x and z. So our result will be x plus y, that is 4 plus 2, 6. Now that's 6 times 3, that's 18. Let's check it out. So answer is 18. Okay, we discussed about increment and decrement in the other time. So that means if you want to increment that x, it will be plus plus. If you want to decrement that x, it will be minus minus. If you want your increment to work instantly, you put this plus plus inside. So that will change to 5. That is a simple way to use operator. And also when dealing with exponential, you do it like this. Maybe you want to have like x squared. That is 4 our x like this raised to power 2. So this one is exponential. That is power. So x power 2, that's 4 power 2. This x is 4. So 4 power 2 is 16. So let's check it out. 16. So that means double asterisk means power. So if I put power y, what's my y? My y is already 2, so it's still 16. This is one way. If you want to use another method, you can do it like this. Math dot power, open bracket, x comma y. So this one means x, which is 4, raised to power y, which is 2. That 4 raised to power 2. You can use your own number here. That will be, what's our x? 4 raised to power 9. So that's the answer. Okay.